Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Selenium interview questions. That is, how many times scenario outline will be executed in Cucumber projects? Let me answer. Scenario outline will be executed. The number of times, the number of sets of data are provided under the examples keyword of this scenario outline scenario. Let me practically demonstrate this for you. It all depends on how many sets of data are provided under this scenario outline. If there are 5 sets of data, the scenario outline is going to run 5 times. If there are 3 sets of data, scenario outline is going to run 3 times and so on. Okay. So let me show you practically. For example, I'll just take you to this login.feature file. Here, if you take this first scenario, it's not a normal scenario. If you see the other scenarios, these are specified with normal scenario keyword. Whereas the first scenario is specified with scenario outline keyword. Okay. And when you run the scenario outline, it will be running multiple times. How many times? Multiple means it depends on how many sets of data are there. Okay. Under this scenario, how many sets of data are there? 3 sets of data are there. So this same scenario is going to run 3 times. If you provide 5 sets of data here, the same scenario is going to run 5 times. Okay, like that. So hope guys, you got the answer for this question. So scenario outline will be running multiple times and it depends on how many sets of data are provided under that scenario outline. Okay, so we can run this. So what I will do here is there is a particular tag for this particular scenario. There is a tag, guys. There is @valid credentials tag, which no other scenario has. Copy this tag. Copy this tag. Go to the test runner. Here, go to the test runner, and in the test runner, provide the tag name. Tags is equal to give the tag name like this. Okay. Put a comma here, and now run this runner, and it will only run the scenarios which are specified with this tag. There is only one scenario, which is a scenario outline scenario, which is going to run how many times? 3 times, because there are 3 sets of data here. Now let me run this test runner, practically demonstrate, right click run as JUnit test. It will only run the scenario having that particular tag mentioned. And the same scenario outline is going to run 3 times because in that particular example, there are 3 sets of data. Okay. You see, login with valid credentials scenario outline scenario is running for the first time with the first set of data. To the login. Yes, done, completed. Second scenario is running now. And I mean, the same scenario for the second time, it is running with the second set of data. Done. Now the same scenario will run for the third time with the third set of data. Third time with the same set of data. So you see the scenario is same, guys. Okay, you can clearly see login with valid credentials, scenario outline. Okay, again login with valid credentials, same scenario outline with different set of data. Here data is different. Okay, here data is different. Cap 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here cap 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here again same scenario, that is scenario outline scenario with different set of data, third set of data. So 3 times it has run. So where this data is provided? Under the examples. Okay. Along with scenario outline, you have to use another Gherkin language keyword known as example. Under that, you have to provide multiple sets of data for which the scenario outline need to run multiple times. So hope guys, you got the answer for this question. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.